Hello， 歡迎嚟到 Speak English with Miss Debby。今日英文咁做咁講，我哋會整 pop-up card。想要今次嘅生字表，記得 subscribe 留言我要 PDF 啦。
咁我哋咧係需要有7張顏色紙 7 pieces of coloured paper, glue stick 橡木筆 pencil 鉛筆 piece of card and a pair of scissors 一把鉸剪 and cap.
Take a colored piece of paper, fold it in half into a triangle. Again and again. We are going to repeat 7 times.
7 hours later.
Okay, so now we have 7 pieces of triangle. Draw a curve, okay, on here.
我哋咧可以用呢個咧去做一個帽，然後畫佢出嚟。咁每一個 shape 咧都會咧然後都一致啦。We can use this as a stencil.
So that all the shapes will be the same. So now we have a flower shape already. So we are going to cut out one section, okay? And repeat.
Are you ready for today's lesson? So let's start multiplying by 7. 7 times 1 is 7.
跟住咧，我哋咧就可以喺上面咧畫啲花蕊咯喎。Leave blank for here because you are going to stick this and this together like this. Okay, so leave it blank. When you are done, you can add different decorations onto your flowers. 當你整好之後咧，其實咧你可以加啦好多唔同種類嘅裝飾上去你嘅花嗰度㗎，例如係金粉啦。Okay， 就會變成咁㗎啦。如果你想咧，呢啲邊邊咧，你都可以擺啲金粉落去嘅喎。Okay, you can also put some glue onto the edge of your flowers, like this. 用金粉咧做手工咧，之後咧你嘅清潔咧會變得咧
好地獄。
咁不過又真係好靚嘅，但係真係要用好耐啦。
We're going to put some glue on this side. And we are going to make a piece of flower like this. 整下整下咧，有啲新年花嘅 feel。
好一朵迎春花。
去到呢個步驟咧，我哋就要將啲花咧折埋佢啦。We are going to fold the flowers like this. Okay, we're going to pick one piece and put some glue here and here. A little bit on the tip. And then we are going to put it here, here, and here. And then we are going to put it here, and here, here, and here.
Put some glue here and here.
For the last part, here, here, here. If you want, you can put a few more leaves. 如果你想咧，可以咧整多幾個樹葉嘅，咁樣咧你嗰個卡咧先至咧會立體一啲啦，同埋咧望落去咧豐富啲嘅。Right here. Put some glue. It's only at the tip, okay? 擺少少啫喺呢一度，跟住呢度又係擺少少。Okay, now when you open up your card, it should look something like this.
好一朵迎春花。